Today, let us solve exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations. First one, x minus 2 is equal to 7. We know variable we have to keep here, x is equal to 7 minus 2 becomes addition plus 2, x is equal to 9. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 3. Plus 3 gets transposed to the right hand side and addition changes to subtraction. Y is equal to 7. 6 is equal to z plus 2. In this case, z, the variable, is on the right hand side. So we keep the variable on its side. Right, 6, this addition plus 2 gets transposed to left hand side, becomes minus 2. Z remains on its side. 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore, z is equal to 4. 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. Here we keep the fraction, the variable x on its side, that is left hand side. This is equal to 17 upon 7. This plus 3 upon 7 will get transposed to the right hand side, becomes minus 3 upon 7. X is equal to, in this case the denominators are same, so we can directly subtract the numerators. 17 minus 3 is 14 upon 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 divided by 2, 7 2s are 14. Six x is equal to 12. Multiplication is involved, so x is equal to 12. The multiplication changes to division. X is equal to 6 2s are 12. So x is equal to 2. T upon 5 is equal to 10. T is equal to 10. This division changes to multiplication. Therefore, t is equal to 10 5s is 50. 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. 2x is equal to 18 multiplied by 3. 2x is equal to 18 3s are 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 2. X is equal to 27. 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. Here decimals are involved. No need to worry. The operations and the steps are same, and we already learned the lesson decimals. So 1.6 multiplied by 1.5 is equal to y. 1.5, which is dividing here, will get transposed to the left hand side and division changes to multiplication. And 1.6 divided by 1.5, you as usually have to carry the multiplication and give the decimal point after two places. So 2.40 is equal to y, or you can write y is equal to 2.4. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. We keep 7x on its same side, left hand side, is equal to 16 is on the same side, that is right hand side. Minus 9, or the subtraction changes to addition. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. X is equal to 25 upon 7. Since we cannot divide 25 upon 7, we will get a decimal, but we can keep answer as a fraction also. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Therefore, 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 is 21. Y is equal to 21 upon 14. 21 and 14 can be divided by 7. Both numbers should be divided by the same numbers. So 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Therefore, y is equal to 3 upon 2. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. The variable and a number with it, 6p, keep on the same side, is equal to 9. And this 17 will be transposed to the right hand side, and plus 17 becomes minus 17. 6p is equal to negative 8. P is equal to negative 8 upon 6. 8 and 6 can be divided by 2. 2 is a common factor here, and therefore P is equal to negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The last problem, x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now, this has variable, so we are not supposed to change its side. We keep it on the same side. X upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15. The number plus 1 will be transposed to the right hand side, and it will be minus 1. Now, whenever we have the numbers, rational numbers, what we have to do, first step, to make the denominators common. If the denominators are not same, we cannot add them. So in this case, x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15. We take as denominator 1. As whenever we take denominator 1, we are not changing the value of the original number. X upon 3 is equal to, in this case, you can do by two ways. You can either cross multiply or find the LCM. Now in this case, the LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. So 7, in this case 15 has to be multiplied by 1. So 7 also will have to multiply by 1. Minus this number we take and multiply the denominator by 15. It's therefore numerator also by 15. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 1 the 7 upon 15 minus 1 15 the 15 upon 15. In this case, since the denominators are same, we can add or subtract the numerators. So x upon 3 is equal to, so we can add or subtract the denominators. Here it is subtraction, and since the denominator is same, we write it once. X upon 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 is negative 8 upon 15. Now this 3 which is dividing here, we have to transpose to the right hand side, and it will change to multiplication. So negative 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, x is equal to negative 8 upon 5.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,